Hey you! Yeah, you scrolling through trying to figure out if the Meridian acupressure mat and pillow set is actually worth your money. Let me guess, you're feeling tense, worn out, stressed to the max, and probably thinking, can a mat with little spikes really make me feel better? Well, get comfy, because today I'm giving you the real scoop. I'm diving into everything you need to know about this oddly spiky self-care miracle that's got the internet buzzing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether it's the right fit for you. And trust me, the results may surprise you. Let's go. All right, so what exactly is the Meridian acupressure mat and pillow set? Think of it like a modern take on ancient Chinese medicine. This set is designed with hundreds of tiny, non-toxic plastic spikes that press into your skin to simulate acupressure points all over your body. It sounds intense, but people swear by the results. We're talking full body tension release, better sleep, pain relief, more energy, and even improved digestion. Yep, digestion. More on that in a second. But here's the kicker. No needles, no medication, no appointments. Just you, your mat, and a little bit of time to breathe. So, how does it feel? Honestly, the first few minutes? Kinda weird. Like tiny pokes all over your back weird. But then, something magical happens. You start to melt. Your muscles let go. Your breath deepens. Your thoughts slow down. And before you know it, you're calm. You're chill. You're basically a puddle of zen. And the best part? This isn't just about a temporary feel-good moment. The Meridian acupressure set delivers real, science-backed benefits. Here's what regular users experience. Pain relief. The pressure points stimulate circulation and ease sore muscles. Stress reduction. Bye-bye anxiety. Better sleep, like deep sleep. Improved breathing. Your chest feels more open. Digestion boost. Say goodbye to bloating. Endorphin rush. That natural high after a session is real. Totally portable. Take it anywhere. Office, living room, vacation, even road trips. This thing rolls up easily and comes with its own carrying bag. Whether you're working long hours, constantly on the go, or just need to decompress at home, it fits your lifestyle. No batteries, no setup, no stress. But don't just take my word for it. Here's what actual users had to say. Goodbye stress and anxiety. E.J. Nicholas said he struggled to sleep at night because of racing thoughts. After just 1 week with the Meridian set, he was sleeping better and feeling more relaxed than ever. No more gut issues. Karen had years of digestive problems. She tried diet changes, medication, nothing worked. Then she tried this mat. Boom. Life-changing. Pregnant and finally sleeping again. Laura, in her 3rd trimester, was desperate for rest. This mat gave her the comfort she needed, and now she recommends it to all her pregnant friends. So if you've been dealing with stress, pain, poor sleep, or just need something to help you reset, this might be exactly what your body's been asking for. It's simple, it's non-invasive, it's natural, and honestly, it feels pretty amazing. Click the link below to grab yours and feel the difference for yourself. And if you already have one, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. I love hearing how this little spiky mat is helping people all over the world feel better, naturally. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more real, honest product breakdowns that actually help you live better. Thanks for hanging out. And remember, sometimes the simplest tools give us the most powerful results. Stay balanced, stay awesome. See you next time.